eSIM in Singapore review. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video we'll take a look at this platform which is called eSIM in Singapore in one world. So we can buy an eSIM here, and basically if you would like to use this platform you can find the link in the description. In this case you'll get best possible prices, and here we can only buy an eSIM for Singapore. So if we'll scroll down we can find all the plans like 5 GB, 3 and unlimited, and also we can find the plans for world travelers, of course, like Sign My Thai Unlimited, Asia, Australia, USA, Asia Unlimited, Global, and so on. So we can also like click on see all plans, so we'll be able to discover all the plans. But in this case I think that it's more important to find the Singapore plans, so we only have a 3. We can then click on the necessary plan we'd like to interact with. We can click on buy now, and then here we can select the amount, like the necessary plan once more, as you can see. So this one here, we need to select it. Then we can click on add to cart, but firstly we can see that we have a lot of reviews, like 5-star reviews, 4-star, which is really good, and we can say that it works great. So we can click on add to cart now, and the next step is to we can see that we have 25% discount. Next step is to click on checkout now, and then we can now add only like 3 fields, like name, device, we can select it here, and also like email address where we'll receive our QR code. So don't forget, make sure that it's correct. The next step we need to do is to like pay. We can pay with PayPal, debit or credit card, so nothing really hard. And after that we are ready to interact with these QR code. We can install our eSIM and use our mobile data. So hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye guys.